I'm Athena and this is my partner, Harvey. We've been sharing many adventures together over the years, from camping and climbing to hiking and van life. Last year, we embarked on our biggest adventure yet. This is our little girl, Aífe.
Tiny little Aífe bear.
And not forgetting Oslo, of course. Join us as we navigate family life with our love of the outdoors and adventure. Hello from the mountains. We are back in Italy and we are in the Italian Alps in the Aosta Valley.
Yeah, we're just, where are we? We are just down the valley from Cervinia, which is at the base of the Matterhorn. And we're halfway up the mountain, surrounded by wildflower meadows and alpine grazing and forest, and it's beautiful and yeah.
Such a nice place to be, isn't it?
Yeah, couldn't have asked for any more really. We've got a little cabin, a little chalet, just so we're staying there for 10 days and then just going to get out and explore the area, I think, aren't we?
Do a bit of hiking, bit of other like mountain activities. Really excited to be back in our happy place and to be able to bring Aífe along, and she clearly is very happy to be here as well.
I know, it is so nice to be back in the mountains. Like, yeah, I like the mountains.
We're happy, aren't we?
I'm pretty happy.
Before we get into the rest of the video, I just wanted to say thank you so much to Wild for sponsoring. I know that a lot of you have already used my discount codes from previous videos, which I'm really pleased about, so I'm really excited to have another code for you. If you don't know, Wild make natural refillable deodorant, which comes like this in an aluminium case. The refills are made from shea butter and are 100% compostable, and they come in loads of amazing scents as well. My favourite scents are probably the rhubarb and raspberry for something really fruity, but if you like something a little more natural, this time I'm trying the jasmine and mandarin blossom and the fresh cotton and sea salt for something a little bit fresher. So your refills come in the post like this if you sign up to the subscription or if you just order your refills, and it's super easy to load. I'll show you how to do that now. So this is my new scent, it's the jasmine and mandarin blossom, and all I'm going to do is pop it onto the base here, take the lid off, and then put it all into the deodorant, and then you just wind it up, and there you go. You've got your lovely shea butter deodorant. And this is a natural deodorant that actually works. I think it's amazing. So if you guys are interested, you can use my discount code, which is 20 Athena, for 20% off all Wild products, and click the link down in the description to check them out.
Still farm buildings. It's kind of nice that there's still, yeah, it hasn't been developed and turned into a bougie hotel.
There's still time.
Yeah. Next next project?
Yeah. Morning. We are heading out on a hike today. We're going up to the Lago di Chignana, which is on the opposite side of the valley to where we're staying. Looks like a beautiful alpine lake. So excited to get there. It was really rainy this morning when we woke up, like really rainy.
Yeah, it's heavy, wasn't it?
Yeah, heavy rain. So we have set off a little bit later. It's 10 o'clock, I think, 10:30, something like that.
We're hoping it's going to clear, aren't we?
Yeah, it's supposed to clear like, yeah, in an hour or so. So we might get a little bit wet this morning, but then we'll dry off.
It's kind of like a really sort of rural, feels more rural this side, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's beautiful. We just walked up through Crepin. Is that what it's called?
Yeah, yeah.
Which was like really beautiful. And now we're walking up through the woods, beginning the long ascent. See how our alpine fitness fares.
Yeah, we'll see.
When you're in the mountains, even when it rains, it's still so beautiful. We had some pretty crazy thunderstorms last night, and Harvey was like out getting footage of the lightning because it was just really amazing. Everything's just so dramatic. Yeah, it's so beautiful here. Look at these clouds behind me. So we were going to go on this path, but it says Sentiero chiuso per frana, which means landslide. Path closed due to landslide. So, looks like we'll probably be going this way and doing an out and back rather than a circular route, which is fine. It's raining quite a lot, so we just found a little rock to shelter under, hoping that the rain lets up a little bit. We're almost at the top of the tree line now, and then we kind of start going up the hill, and then we drop down to the lake. So yeah, because obviously we had to alter our route because of the path being closed. So we kind of come over and then drop down to the lake, and then there's a refuge which we're hoping might be open and we can get a hot chocolate. But how are you, Aífe? You enjoying your hike?
We're having a very nice time with my daddy. It's very nice.
Crazy.
Talked on the phone, it's as it's always been. Say you wanna see me on my birthday and I'm teary again. You wanna take a road trip in an electric van. When you're not studying, will I be far away then? Oh, it sounds like fun. Oh, it sounds...
So just working our way up the side of the valley, and it's sort of, we were on zigzags and we're now onto kind of single track path, which is getting steeper. It's beautiful to be able to kind of walk up through these little glades of wildflower. All we can hear in the valley is the roar of water. and bird song all around us. I mean, we haven't seen anyone, and it's very nice. It's very calm and peaceful. So it's apart from us panting and blowing as we're sort of working our way through the paths, but Aífe's just finally gone to sleep, and it's very nice.
Oh, what a shame it all didn't go to plan. We had wild dreams of a future, and we thought we'd pray to anyone that might hear. And if we crossed our fingers, it might just appear, and we'd wake up one bright day and see we'd had our wishes granted. More than 3. How didn't we see we couldn't withstand gravity? We all believed in a dream where she was alive and well. No one told us she was falling down, and one day she fell.
There's the refuge.
Sold them well. Now we're drunk on the floor, watching it all unfurl. Oh, what a shame it all didn't go to plan. We had wild dreams of a future, and we thought we'd pray to anyone that might hear.
Where are we, Harvey?
We are at the refuge Barmasse,
Barmasse, I think.
Barmasse, right next to a massive lake that I can't remember the name of.
Gignana.
Gignana, there we go.
And what are we getting?
We're getting hot chocolate and cake.
Yay!
Win. And so yeah, this refuge is open, it's early, it looks like there's loads of mountain biking from here. There's loads of trails that come through here, so it's a very nice spot. And if the weather was better, I'd definitely be going for a swim.
Proper.
It's like liquid chocolate. It's amazing. Hey! You fit in that side. Ta-da! Hey!
Ready for the descent?
Yeah. Get back.
So we just stopped at the Rifugio Barmasse, which is right on Lago di Cignana. We were really pleased it was open. As you guys saw, we got an amazing hot chocolate and homemade cake, and had a lovely chat with the ladies who worked there. They were so nice. They said that we were their only tourists all day, the only customers they've had all day.
Just noticed these on the side. I have no idea what they're called, but they're just very pretty, and the pollen is like, you can just, I don't know if you'll see that. Whew.
Waterproof's on.
Quick waterproof layer up.
Good morning. So it's been a couple of days since we last filmed.
Yeah.
In the last couple of days we hired some mountain e-bikes and a trailer for Aífe, and we headed up into the mountains above Cervinia, which was really fun, wasn't it?
Oh, it's great.
Yeah.
It didn't go fast or anything, but
No.
it's just like...
It felt like a real adventure.
Yeah, definitely. And, you know, we sort of like cruised up into altitude and up into the, what was it, the Plan and Maison? And
Yeah.
the, was it the
Cime Bianche.
Cime Bianche,
Yeah.
that's the one.
So we went up to like 2,800 or so.
Yeah, 2829.
Yeah, which was really cool, and then like some really long descent. We had a little bit of rain. It was an adventure. It was really fun.
Yeah, it was a few little river crossings, and
Yeah.
it was really nice to do it without walking.
Yeah.
Because we managed to cover like quite a distance in a short amount of time.
Exactly. Yeah.
And e-bikes are great if you've got
Yeah.
a trailer.
Yeah, and
Like-
just generally, like, I wouldn't have been able to do that, I don't think, without an e-bike, because it was so steep.
Yeah.
So yeah, that was really cool.
Yeah.
But so today we're back out on a hike. We're doing a linear route, so what we have done is we have parked our car at the end of our route. We then got the bus up to the cable car, got the cable car up the mountain, and we just started walking. So we're basically walking
Walk
from...
back down the valley, aren't
Yeah,
we?
we're going to walk... Yeah, back. So we've walked from... What's this called? Salette?
Salette.
I think this is called, yeah. And then we're walking to Chenale, which is actually just above where we're staying. And we're going to probably get some lunch there.
Yeah.
And then we are going to walk over to Chamois, which is another little alpine village. And that's the end of our walk. And we're going to get the cable car back down the mountain. Oh, also just wanted to mention that, so like at this time of year, the cable cars aren't actually open yet officially until next weekend, so we miss it, but they're open this weekend, so we have 2 days where the cable cars are open, so we kind of wanted to take advantage of that and do some walks with the cable cars. So that's kind of
tomorrow as well.
Yeah, we might try to do some, we can get high quite easily.
Yeah.
So yeah, we shall get walking now and see you soon.
Well, it was dark, and then you spoke, and your voice created light. My tiny hands were being formed as I floated through the night, and I floated through the night. Guess I better have a little bit of hope. I wonder what I will become if I no longer have a wonder. Never be another me. I can surely count on that. What can I be?
So we are just dropping down to Chenale now, where we are going to go and get lunch. It's only taken us an hour to get here, so we're moving fairly quickly on this ground, and it's been beautiful. Aífe's been asleep for most of this stretch, hasn't she?
Yeah.
So she'll probably wake up now, have a little bit of bite to eat with us, and then
Yeah,
the next
that'd be
stretch is a bit longer, isn't it?
good. Yeah, I think so.
A
Well,
little
we're
bit
going to go
longer.
up
Yeah, I think we're going
and
to...
then-
Yeah.
and then up to that point. I mean, we could do the other peak.
Yeah, we'll have a look at when we get to the restaurant, like what we want to do, because
Yeah.
the day is young. It's only 12:30, so yeah.
Yeah, we've got plenty of time to play with.
Yeah, exactly. Also, I lost my sunglasses, so I'm wearing the hat, and I feel like I look a bit stupid, but oh well.
the one thing that we just will never be able to bring you with the camera is just these amazing sort of warm waves of smell that you get, whether it's pine or juniper or the wildflower meadows. Today it's just so nice and like so aromatic that it's just making this whole walk an absolute treat.
Yeah. And what do you have to say, Aífe?
Da da da.
Da 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 while eating her.
So we just stopped for a quick break. Aífe was fussing a little bit, so we thought we'd stop and get some shade and just kind of quickly knocked up a shelter out of muslin and the walking poles.
Harvey's favourite thing to do is like make shelter out of
Anything
make
that we've
shelters
got.
out of anything.
Yeah.
It's your like manly or instinct to build a home, I think.
Yeah. It's my duty. It's my manly duty to the family.
Right, we are back on the trail. Aífe was a lot happier this time when we put her back in the backpack, which is good. Maybe she just needed a bit of a longer break to have a little play. So got last little bit up to the summit, and then we dropped down to Lago Lod, I think it's called, and Chamois.
Up.
Yeah.
Finally. That was a very nice walk.
Yeah. We made it back to our car after our big adventure. There's Aífe doing acrobatics behind me.
Ready?
But yeah, we had a great day, amazing hike. Yeah, just like really good. And now I think that we are going to go and find some food, either pizza or burgers. Yeah, very hungry. So yeah.
Burgers.
Burgers. Yeah.